Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with our money idioms for the month of November. And today we're going to talk about 16 different ways to supersize your business without spending any money. Now, some might argue you have to spend money to make money, but I say not necessarily if you get creative. And how you can use these 16 ways to continually foot the bill. Our idiom, our expression today, our money expression is to foot the bill. This idiom is from the 1500s. It originally was to foot up, which meant to add up a bunch of figures on a page, and at the bottom of the page or the foot of the page, you would get the total amount due. Later, by the 1800s, it came to mean to pay the bill, to foot the bill, to cover the costs, cover the expenses, to pay the bill is what we mean when we say we're going to foot the bill now. For decades, until about 7 years ago when my dad died, no matter what, he foot the bill for everything. Whenever we would go out for family dinners or have celebrations or parties, he always footed the bill because he wanted to. That was his thing. As the matriarch of our family, he wanted to be the one that foot the bill, to foot the bill. Now, what are these 16 ways that we can grow and build and supersize our business without spending any of our hard-earned moolah or dollars? Well, let's start at the very top. Number one, bill your customers faster. Shorten the amount of time between the services and the products you deliver and the time that you actually receive the funds for those products and services that you deliver. Shorten up that time. Bill faster. Upon dealing with your customers. Number two, simplify your business. So often we overcomplicate our businesses, and the more complicated our business is, the more expensive it is to run. Number three, streamline your marketing message. One message, clear, concise, consistent, so people know exactly who you're talking to. Number four, increase your business's visibility. You can do that in creative ways without having to spend a lot of money. A lot of people go right to the bank account and say, I'm just going to write a check and I'm going to get media coverage. I say find creative ways to increase your business's visibility. Number five, learn to don't do everything yourself. Number six, look for and reward efficiency in your organization, both from within and outside of your organization. If people bring you ways to do things more efficiently and effectively, find ways to refer or reward or in some way compensate them. It doesn't have to be money. Maybe it's prestige, maybe it's a title, maybe it's a promotion, maybe it's exposure to other people, whatever works for you. Number seven, don't forget your suppliers. A lot of times our suppliers can help us with the flow of cash in our organization. Number eight, work faster. I want to say work smarter, but we can say work faster. Number nine, reward your team when they meet or exceed expectations. Number 10, define and stick to your project scope. So often we get something called scope creep in our organizations where we plan a project and it's going to include one thing. It's kind of like remodeling your house. You're going to just remodel or paint a room, and then all of a sudden you're painting the whole house, adding new floors, new carpets, new cabinets, new built-ins, new fireplaces, new appliances, new furniture, new everything, because your project creeps. So avoid project creep. So stick to the scope of your original projects. Number 11, excuse me. Oh, be available to the media. Make sure that you're available to the media so that they can give you free publicity in the things that you're doing. Number 12, give something away. That's always a good way to increase your sales and supersize your business. Number 13, promote your business consistently. Always be promoting, always be sharing, always be letting people know that you exist. Number 14, be part of the social media conversation. Be out in social media. 10 years ago, we probably wouldn't even have had this on the list. Now it's imperative that all of us, no matter who we are, what we are, we have some kind of a presence on social media. If people can't find us, if they can't find information about us, they'll just pass us by for a competitor. Number 15, become the trusted advisor in your industry. Become the go-to category king or queen or leader in your industry. And number 16, get your supporters, get people that support you, customers have been satisfied and happy, to refer you to other people. It doesn't cost anything for people to refer you to other people. It doesn't cost anything to spread word of mouth advertising. So those are just some ways that you can increase your business, supersize and grow your business without spending a lot of money, so that you always have the resources available to foot the bill, to pay that bottom line number, to cover the costs and expenses of doing business. Love to know your favorite ways to earn money for your business without spending a lot of money, or to increase sales or your bottom line numbers or your profits, and what your position is on footing the bill. I personally love footing the bill. I like paying for things. It makes me feel good. It's kind of like giving things away or charity or helping other people. It feels good. So that's part of why we do it, right? We foot the bill because it feels good. So share in the comments below your experience with this idiom and expression, and I will of course be with you tomorrow with another money related idiom for the month of November. Have an absolutely awesome day and weekend ahead.